Hello guys, so here is a new update from Google Cloud. So learn to earn cloud security challenge. Our swags are here. For level 1, 2 and 3. I have done till 1, 2 and 3, not the bonus one. So if you have done the bonus one is will be appear here. And then till 15th of February you will be having this to claim. So here's the link. It will show pop up about the Google like a form. You have to fill the form as the first pop up will be there as there will be two things. The first one will be as which over level you have done. So example, I have level till level 3. So first one it will be a bottle and the second one will be the hoodie. So in the if you select the bottle, it will be directly show the button next, and then you have to fill your name, number and address, and at the last the country, and then submit. And if you select the hoodie, then you have to select the size of it. There will be a last little bit option that select the size, and then about the next, and at the last we have to give the name. Note you have to give the email ID that you have provided in the Qwiklabs, and then the select your country and then submit button. After submitting, you will see the somewhat like this page, like selected product as this hoodie, order confirmed, your gift will be delivered to this address, your name, here will be the address. The tracking link will be mailed to you when we ship the gift, and there the ID will be appear here. After some times you will be getting this mail as a confirmation mail that we have successfully received. Then it will be please expect this delivery of still 6 to 8 weeks. So this will be name. If you, it will be only one product, they have just given the which of the products was there. So if you choose the hoodie, then it will give the size here. So claim as soon as possible. You have the time till 15th of February. So thank you.